Shukuru-ini wa mathomo ma thirikari mwena wa Rua Kabete ni kuo Minister wa Githomo Dr.Fred Matiang'i akugomanite na maabithaa othe a githomo kuma sub-county ciothe bururi-ini oro hamwe na nini ya makamishna gutiriha mibango ya gukinyaniria igerio cia KCPE na KCSE. O ta mwaka muthiru igerio ici ciatwarwo matura-ini igakorwo ire rungu rwa urugamiriri wa maabithaa aya na koguo maririkanio kibarua kiritu kiria kiri mbere yao.
You will have to be more patriotic this year than last year. Because we serve our government, and the NEC is a state agency of government. We don't do politics, but unfortunately for you, you are out there. So you must keep your eye on the ball.
We are going to conduct the exams with a measure of military precision, that everything must go as planned, and we must ensure that we do not let our children down.
Igerio ici cia mwaka uyu igukorwo igikinyaniria unyitaniri na ministry cia ICT na ugitiri o ta mwaka muthiru niguo gutigirira maundu mothe ni magirira. Kuri arutani aria mangienda gukorwo makiruta wira wa ithurano ni moritio maranire na wabici cia TSC iria ire hakuhi nao niguo gutigirira gwika uu gutinahengesha mehaririria ma igerio.
So that we don't get important critical role players in the exam process stuck in the conduct of elections.
Matiang'i arite na mbere kuhinyiriria ati no nginya igerio ici ciekeke ihinda-ini riria ribangitwo amu kubangura mubango uyu ni kuga mubango wa githomo wa mwaka ukite onaguo ni waharagana.
To my fellow teachers, to all of us, and especially to our children, we are ready now to conduct exams.
Makiuma guku maabithaa aya mathire mehariirie nginya makua kuburi cia kuhinga mathanduku ma kuiga igerio ici wona ciatwarwo icigo-ini ciao. Ota mwaka-ini muhituku wa 2016 Minister wa Githomo Dr.Fred Matiang'i ahinyiriire ati mitaratara mirumu ni igitwo kugitira kigeranio kia mwaka uyu niguo gutigirira ni giakinyanio na njira iria yagereire gutakugia na ciiko cia wici wa kigeranio. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.